Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this everyday summer type look for you guys. So hopefully it's easy for you guys to follow along and you can learn something and hope maybe you can teach me something. So if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I have a, doesn't have a brand. I don't know where I got this from, but it is a double-ended fluffy brush with this brush at the end. I'm going to go into the color Golden Ochre here. This color though, and I'm going to use this as my base. And I go kind of up pretty high because I'm pretty sure I have hooded eyes. Next up, I'm going to go into my Crown Pro palette. I got this in a BoxyCharm and I would show you the colors, but one of my, look at it. Would you just look at that? Would you just look at that? It came like this in my BoxyCharm. And I know you can repress them, I just haven't had time. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with this color to start the whole crease business. Also, if you see that I'm doing stuff that's wrong, please tell me. I learned almost everything, who are we kidding? I learned everything that I know about makeup from other YouTubers. In fact, my newest favorite that I can't stop binge watching is Raw Beauty Kristi. Absolute favorite. If you have not checked her out, please go and check her out. Hilarious. I love her face. I want to deepen this crease. I'm going to go with this color right here and point my brush down to try to get right into that crease. See that it has definitely added some warmth in there. I am going to take my Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush, and I'm going to pick up this darker warm brown right here. I'm going to take it into my V here and then into my crease just to deepen that up a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild fluffy brush again with no extra product on it and try to blend that out a bit more. So now I'm going to go in just a smidge with the one over here next to the broken one, and I'm going to use my Luxie 227T. I've got this in BoxyCharm as well. If y'all haven't signed up for BoxyCharm yet, you should. I'm going to even further deepen my V and my crease. I'm just taking it on the outer corner here, and then I'm going down with it, and then I'm going to go into the crease sweeping motions. Very light-handed on this because this is a dark color, and so you don't want it to be like. I'm going to go back in with my awesome Wet n Wild fluffy brush here, and I'm just going to reblend it. Make sure everything gets all melded together and looking like it goes together. So don't take it up. I am blending it down onto the lid. Okay, so now for my lid color, I am going to go in with this shimmery shade right here. And I'm not going to use a brush for this one. I'm going to use the brushes that God gave me because I just like to apply my shimmer shades with the finger. I feel like they go on a lot more pigmented and it looks better. So the only problem with doing that with your finger is that a lot of times you lose the deeper brown that you put in on the outer the V and the crease. So I'm gonna go back in real quick with that same Luxie brush and that same darker color and just re-deepen that up. And then, careful not to get it into the shimmery part, I'm going to just blend what I put on there again. I always do a smoky eye. That's pretty much been my thing lately. I also have kind of gotten away from doing eyeliner. I feel like it makes it look like I have zero lashes, and I don't like false lashes. I feel like they're ridiculous to put on and they look totally stupid on me. They look great on other people. They just look stupid on me, especially the big floofy ones. I don't know, man. It's not my shit. Anywho, okay, so basically for my lower lash line, I'm just gonna do pretty much the exact same thing. So finally, I'm gonna go in with my Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Got this also in a BoxyCharm. Y'all are gonna wanna sign up for some BoxyCharm by the time that you get done with this video, I'll tell you what. I have my mascara on. We have to do an inner corner highlight. So we're gonna go in with some Subculture up here to this guy to add into our inner corner. Color is called Cube. I'm going to use my Morphe E36 pencil brush. And that is it. What did you think about this video? Did I do a good job? Do I not know what the hell I'm talking about? Does it look like bullshit? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see anything else, please let me know. So that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video. Hopefully I will see you next time. See you later. That is what the doctor ordered right there. We're gonna try this pest powder. Give me the energy. Yes. The other one is like a white translucent. This bronzer looks like someone took a dump on my face. Okay. What is that? What is that called? How am I having a brain fart? I need some more coffee. Good job, Amber. Good job.